Rasha from Pixel Group. Today I'm going to give you some simple and basic tips on content making, which will help you in giving presentations in your class, school, colleges, competitions, or in any other place. So, for your better understanding, I have divided this content making in three parts. First one, head of the content. Second one, body of the content. Third one, the leg of the content. Now coming to the head of the content. In head of the content, it is the introduction part where you have to speak three things. First one, your name. Second one, your class or your belonging. Or third one is the title or the subject that you're going to speak. For your better understanding, I have done this in starting of my video. Like, I have given you my name, which is the first thing. I have given you my belonging, that is the second thing. I have given you title or the subject name that I'm speaking, that is the third one. So this is the head of the content. Now coming to the body of the content, which is very important. Body of the content is the complete information about the topic that you're going to speak. Make sure you collect the information with your related notebooks or related textbooks and or else browse in the internet. But take the important points or highlighted points instead of taking the complete information. Give some related examples which will attract the people. Related examples in the sense, examples which are related to the topic that you're going to speak. And the last and the final one is the conclusion. Conclusion concluded by giving some quotation or giving some important or highlighted points of your topic, and concluded by thanking each and everyone for listening to you.